With the Toyota app, you can conveniently link and manage your monthly Toyota financial service payments, all from the palm of your hand. Scroll to the Toyota Financial Services tile to start the setup process and link your account. Start by tapping on Link Account Now at the bottom of the tile. Your VIN will pre-fill, and you will enter the last 4 of your Social Security number. Then tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Enter the security code sent to your email on file. Once your account has been linked, you can use the app to make payments. Should you need to unlink your Toyota Financial Services account from the Toyota app, the process is just as simple and convenient. To unlink your account, scroll to the Toyota Financial Services tile. Then tap on the menu icon, 3 dots in the upper right corner. Tap Unlink Account in the Card Actions menu, and then tap on Unlink Account at the bottom of the screen. Your account is now unlinked. With the ability to link and unlink your Toyota Financial Services account at any time, the Toyota app makes managing and completing your monthly finance or lease payments seamless and convenient. This convenient feature of the Toyota app will improve your ownership experience. If you don't already have the Toyota app, please visit the App Store to download it today.